Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we've gathered up some top tips to make sure lifting doesn't happen, while also creating a 4th of July manicure. We will start our manicure by properly prepping the nail plate. Gently push back cuticles and make sure to get rid of all of the cuticles on the nail bed. Buff the shine from the surface of the natural nail. Then cleanse your nails of any extra debris, as leaving it under the gel may cause lifting. Use acetone to dehydrate the nails. Dip a clean nail brush in acetone, then brush the nail and let it dry. You can also use a lint-free wipe. Tip: keep your hands dry for a few hours before you paint your nails. Don't do your nails right after taking a shower, and don't wash your hands right before doing your nails. Apply the base coat as neatly and carefully as you can, and make the layers as thin as possible. Then cure for 30 seconds in Rossi LED Nail Lamp. Tip: take your time when you apply gel polish. Unlike normal nail polish, the gel will not set unless placed under light. Low-quality lamps can sometimes cause lifting. That's why we recommend using a high-quality one, as our Rossi LED Nail Lamp for best results. Roll the bottle between your hands. This will often allow a more even application. Using the chosen color, carefully paint the nail. Do not load the brush too heavily, as the gel could flood the cuticle, which makes lifting more likely. You do not need as much gel polish on your brush as you would with regular nail polish. After you are done painting the first coat of the color, cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED Nail Lamp. Tip: do not touch the nails in between layers. There will be a sticky residue on the surface. This will allow each layer to stick to the next. Gel polish should not come in contact with cuticles or edges, as it gives it a ridge and lifting could form. Use a cuticle tool or a brush to clean up any mistakes before curing. Don't forget to cap the free edge when you paint your nails. Once you are happy with the application, place your fingers in the Rossi LED Nail Lamp and cure for 60 seconds. Protect your nails with a final layer of Rossi top coat and cure. This will leave the nails with a high glossy shine. Use a cuticle oil daily. Cuticle oil is essential for healthy nail growth and can help to prevent lifting. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home and stay safe!